Hey, hi, Rohit, how are you?
Fine, sir. What about you?
I'm also good, thanks for asking. So, Rohit, here is Yusuf, and he is going to take your interview. He'll be your lead. If you're going to get shortlisted in the interview, then you are going to join his team, okay? Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Asif.
Hey Afzal, hey Rohit, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Good,
What
good.
about you?
Yeah, I'm too good. Thank you for asking. So yeah, Rohit, start introduce yourself.
My name is Rohit Kumar. I'm living in Delhi, near of Mur Vihar Phase 3. My higher qualification is BBA from Sikkim Manipal University. I have total 5 year experience, 2 year as a IT administrator, and 3 year experience as a business analyst in fields and solution. I have
Okay,
work. I have worked in 3 projects in this present organization. But
okay,
first, public infrastructure and food and beverage and national electronic.
right. Okay, may I know what's the reason for the job change?
So I want to learn more things in the other organization. I want to learn something extra and
Okay,
different project. I want to work on the different projects, different
okay,
domains.
okay. Can you please explain me what is a business analyst?
Business analyst basically provide the solution of the company by the technology, by the analyst analyze the all company documents, sweat analyze, sweat analyze techno technique, use use the sweat analyze technique and provide the solution. Basic things is provide the solution. Business analyst work is.
Okay, so public infrastructure, right, which
Yes,
fits the solution. So which type of solution you were provided to the company?
this project is public can be this is related to the of road damage. You can user can be complaint to the authority. So I provide the solution. User when user click the picture, there
All right.
this project related to the lent to the authority. When user open the app application and click the picture, automatic GPS location will be detect.
Okay,
I give the solution when user can open the mandatory. User have to be open the GPS location. There is no option to close GPS. So automatically detect location where the pothole.
so do you face any challenges in these current projects?
Yes, I face project. Yeah, how can be this is the big challenge. How can authority get the correct location of the solution? First of all, when user click the picture, so present location will be detected by the GPS first. Second, I give the another options for the images. User can upload the 5 images, so authority easily detect the location. When if I will not give the GPS location, so if user can capture the images, so authority will face the problem where this. So you authority can be face the problem. So another option we add is the GPS. GPS is mandatory to open. If user can off the GPS, so that they cannot be go ahead.
Okay, as a business analyst, what's your daily roles and responsibility? Can you please
My
share the
roles,
whole life cycle of business analyst?
yes, I will share. First of all, if I get any project, I study. If I need to use the if I need, I use the allocation process, allocation technique, Moscow techniques. It's totally depend on the project. If it is the I will say I find all the stakeholder how many stakeholders is involved in this project. So first a user, and second is administrator authority, and and municipal authority also. They are the three stakeholders. First
No,
user
no, I
and
am just asking to you like what's the as a business analyst, what's your daily roles and responsibility, like daily life cycle. I'm not gonna asking you your illustration about Moscow method, all those things. Just tell me only the what a daily life cycle as a business analyst.
my daily life cycle is I always
Rohit, let me clear this question.
tell
There
you
are
the
two
process.
things. Yes, yes, there are two things. One is whole life cycle of a business analyst from requirement gathering to deployment, right, Asif? But
Yeah, right, sir.
Asif, you're asking for day-to-day work that a business analyst used to do. Is it?
Right.
Rohit, did you get it?
Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
carry on, please.
Life cycle requirement analysis and design.
Okay, fine. So, what is SWOT analysis? What do you mean by
SWOT
SWOT
analysis.
analysis? Yeah.
SWOT analysis is stand for the strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. The four factors in the SWOT analysis. First, strength. Strength is an internal factor. It is a, we can say the strength. We can say company brand value, company funding. This is the strength. Skilled labor. These are the strength of the company. And we have to analyze these all factors. Strength is the company fund, company location, company skilled labor, and the
So,
second is opportunity. Yes,
so can you please explain me what's the strength of this project?
giving the municipal authority report to the municipal authority, and we can we can also repair by uh, our private labor also. If any accident by the uh, user to get claim.
Do you ever hear the name Balsamic?
Yes,
What is Balsamic?
basmic is a web-based software. This is we can use for the wireframing. This software
What is wireframing?
wireframing make a prototype of the any software. I also make the prototype how it will be run. We can explain the customer client your software should be look like this. This
Like a
is the
user interface.
demo. Yeah, yes, a user
Yeah.
interface. This is a
Sketch form of any
sketch.
application or so.
Yes, we
Yes.
can say sketch. This is a
Okay.
sketch.
So, do you know what is low level and high level design?
Yes, it is totally depend on the software. Balsamic is a high level design, and another Figma. Figma is also is a wireframing software, web based software. It is a low level design. It's totally depend on the features. We can there's so many features in the Balsamic. We can make any types of wireframing in the Balsamic, and Figma have a low features. So Figma is a low level designing, and we can say Balsamic is a high level designing.
Okay. Are you aware with Moscow?
Yes, I
What is Moscow?
yes, I have heard. Moscow technique, when we make any software. So first of all, we will say why we are make this software, which is the most important features in this software. So we will decide it by the Moscow techniques. Moscow technique stand for the must have, should have, could have, and would have. So first of all, must have. Any software, like we can take an example, WhatsApp example. I will give you
Okay.
WhatsApp software make for the chat process. So
Right.
chatting is a must have. We
Okay.
can we can't be run the software without chat process. And should have should have video calling, audio calling, it is a should have. This category is should have. We will remove the video calling, and so software we can make run the software. And could have, we can add any images, symbols, we can add. It is the category of should have. And would have, the future, we can change in for the future. This this types of this component, and this feature we can add in the futures. Like
Okay.
example,
Got it.
I will give
So,
example.
Rohit,
I will give you example.
yes, sure, sure.
no,
uh,
no, I got it.
you-
I got all your point. So let's be practical. Suppose I am a client, okay, and I have to develop a software application. So what step you will take first?
First of all, I will ask you which types of application you want. What is your business and why you
Messaging
want
application.
your
My
messaging
application
application?
is messaging app, right?
Okay,
So
I
what's
know the
your
first thing, you want to the messaging application. And second thing, I will ask you, do you have any written document for this, like a BRD? If you don't have, so I will make, and then I will show you the I will make the feature list. If you have all documents, so I will be discuss and sign the document and start the work. If you doesn't have the any document, so first of all I will ask you a requirement. How many feature do you want on this solution? I will make the proper document, BRD, BRS, FRC, FRS. So then I will sign, and then we'll start the work. This is the my step.
Rohit,
do you forget anything?
Asif, sorry for interruption.
Okay.
I have a question for Rohit. So, Rohit, can you uh, let us know what's the difference between BRD, FRD, and what you said SRS, right?
Yes.
Can you give a one-liner uh, or one-liner depth, like difference between like
BRD
FRD, SRS, and BRD?
BRD is a business requirement document, and BRS business requirement specification. So BRD is important document. We are briefing the all business in this document, all feature list, all user stories. And FRS only only feature list of how many features in this software we will provide you. But BRD is an important document in this all things.
Not FRD. So
FRD
BRD is for
important, but
home
some
and
part of
FRD
the
is for home. बीआरडी हम
no,
किसके लिए बनाते हैं किसका इन्वॉल्वमेंट ज़रूरी है साइन ऑफ ज़रूरी है एफआरडी एसआरएस किसके लिए होता है
BRD सर क्लाइंट ये सभी डॉक्यूमेंट ऑल डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायर फॉर बोथ पर्सन client and business analyst company, both are b- these all documents require for the both. We have to
for
be
both okay
prepare the all document and sign by the client, then we will start work.
is it important to take sign off on SRS as well from the client or is it required is it must have to share SRS with client
Yes sir, all document require the sign.
okay
Also we'll say share the MOM also. We show the client, and we can sign also. We
what
can
is
make the
MOM
sign by the client. MOM
what is
is a
MOM
minute minute on minute meeting, everyday meeting, whatever we discuss on the all meeting. And it is a written document. We will we can write on the note uh, notepad that time we will discuss with the client, but after the meeting we will prepare proper document and show and sign the client. This
So
is the
Rohit,
MOM.
have you used Jira?
Yes, Zero. Yes, I use.
So what all things you need to do on Jira as a business analyst? Like Jira is a broad course itself, right?
Yes.
So what exactly a BA used to do on Jira?
User, we business analyst make a project on Jira. Whatever project we have, we will make a project and create the user stories and send work to the all departments like testing, development.
So I just want to know the flow. You have created the project, then what you are going to do on Jira?
First of all, we will create the project
Okay,
and then we will make epic, then
okay,
user story
mm-hmm.
and subtask, task, subtask,
Okay,
and we can
mm-hmm.
assign the bug also.
Mm-hmm.
So we
So
we don't
they
we don't assign testers assign the bugs.
So, Rohit, do you assign the task to the development team, or you just write user story on backlog, and rest of the thing is done by the technical manager or the technical lead from the software development team? Means you created a user
Uh,
story, then will you break down that user story in technical task, or there is some other person who used to do that?
Sorry, I didn't get the question, sir.
जैसे यूज़र स्टोरी आपने बना लिया एज फॉर एग्जांपल
Yes, sir.
आपने लॉगिन का एक यूज़र स्टोरी बनाया एज अ यूज़र आई वांट टू
Yes,
लॉग
sir.
इन on XYZ application so that I can go
Yes,
on the home page and I can explore the application. Whatever you want, you can write it. User story is simple. आपने ये बना लिया. You wrote acceptance criteria, जो भी attachment होते हैं सारा कुछ आपने attach कर दिया. ये एक epic and user story is ready. अब ये जो टास्क है इसको टेक्निकल टास्क में ब्रेक डाउन करना होगा. बहुत सारी चीज़ आएगी इसमें. यूआई डेवलप होगा, इसमें कोई बंदा बैकएंड पे काम कर रहा होगा, कोई इसी के क्या उसको कहते हैं डेटाबेस साइट पे काम कर रहा होगा कि ये स्टोर कैसे होगा, है ना. मल्टीपल टास्क
yes,
आएंगे एक लॉगिन बनाने में.
yes, sir.
तो वो जो
Yes,
टास्क
sir.
ब्रेक डाउन होता है, आपने यूज़र स्टोरी लिख दिया एज अ बीए. अब जो टास्क ब्रेक डाउन हो रहा है, जो डेवलपर को दिया जाता है, हाँ यू हैव टू डू दिस वर्क, तो वो आप करते हो या कोई और करता है? दैट इज माई क्वेश्चन.
सर मैं करता हूँ. Yes,
Okay, you used to do that. Okay, okay, I'm good.
yes, sir.
Asif,
I
you
make
have
this
some
work.
questions?
Yes, I do have some questions. So, user friendly with the Balsamic application or Figma?
Yes.
So, are you aware, like user friendly with both application, Figma and Balsamic both?
More friendly is by the Basmic.
So, you have to make the prototype for this application, which is only 5 to 7 pages. So, how much time will you take to complete this task?
I will take 1 hour, 1 to 2 hour
You will
for the
have to
seven
take
pages.
1 to 2 hours for 7 pages. Okay.
2 hours.
And for the
Yes.
user story,
User story, the it depend on the how many features on this
nothing
software.
feature, just is simple a messaging application. You will have to only communicate between two person like a WhatsApp. There is no audio, no video calling feature,
I,
nothing. Only text messages.
only I will take a half an hour.
Half an hour for BRD.
Yes.
Okay.
No,
Are
no,
you sure, Rohit?
BRD, not BRD. You are asking, you say the different,
So yeah,
not
user
BRD,
story for
half an
this
hour for
application.
BRD. User story only, user
Yes,
story,
Okay,
right.
not BRD.
Rohit, what are the things that we use to write in user story? What is the universal format of a user story?
As a user, I want to log in, log in with mobile number
Okay.
with and
And is
OTP.
there something else that we have to write along with user story to make the developer understand what exactly we want them to develop? यूज़र स्टोरी के साथ हम कुछ और भी लिखते हैं जिससे डेवलपर को हेल्प होता है समझने में कि हम क्या चाहते हैं डेवलप
Yes,
करने में.
we write the use cases also.
यूज़ केसेस एनीथिंग एल्स? मैं यूज़र स्टोरी के साथ कह रहा हूँ. यूज़ केसेस वी डू राइट.
No, use on user story.
जैसे अगर मैं सिर्फ कह
Okay.
दूँ, लेट मी मेक इट मोर सिंपल. अगर मैं कह दूँ कि मैं ऑनलाइन पेमेंट चाहता हूँ अपने ई कॉमर्स एप्लीकेशन पे, मान लिया हम काम कर रहे हैं, तो आपने उसका यूज़र स्टोरी कैसे बनाना है? आपको ऑनलाइन पेमेंट चाहिए आपके ई कॉमर्स वेबसाइट पे, उसकी आपको यूज़र स्टोरी लिखनी है जो यूनिवर्सल फॉर्मेट है. तो क्या बनाओगे आप?
आप पेमेंट हमें पेमेंट करनी है
हाँ,
सिर्फ
एज अ
इसलिए
मतलब मेरा क्लाइंट का डिमांड है कि हमारा जो एप्लीकेशन है ई कॉमर्स, वहाँ पे एक ऑनलाइन पेमेंट के लिए क्या उसे कहते हैं, फीचर हो जिसकी आप यूज़र स्टोरी लिख रहे हो. जहाँ पे चलो और सिंपल कर देते हैं, ये आप बोलोगे कि इपिक है तो इसको और सिंपल कर देते हैं कि क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट हो.
yes sir, we can write the
हम्म.
user story. As a user, I want
हम्म.
to payment by the credit card, and now I will write the
ओके.
steps also. First of all, user add the number of the credit card.
No, no. With user story, there is acceptance criteria.
Okay.
Are you getting point? Well, you said use case and user story. What's the difference between use case and user story?
Use case and user story, we the simply form we can say it is just like a as a user I want to log in, but in the use case we have to write the all steps. How can user log in? All steps. Step first of all, user registration, and user enter the all details, special character in the email ID. All the acceptance criteria we have to be write in the user
Get it?
story.
Get it?
Use cases.
Get it? One last question from my end, okay? Then I'll be done. Then maybe Yusuf will ask some question to you, okay? So, if there is some scope creeping that you are facing in a project, how will you handle scope creeping in your project?
Scorpio giving us I listen this word. I can't say anything
It's
about.
something relatable to change management. If suppose make it more simple, maybe you are not aware of the word scope creeping. Suppose your client wants some changes that is not like it's an uncertain change, then how will you handle that situation? कुछ अन पहले से कुछ डिसाइडेड नहीं था, अनसर्टेन चेंज आपका क्लाइंट आस्क कर रहा है मिड ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट, हाउ विल यू हैंडल?
So we are working with the agile technology. So
हम्म.
it is the easy to change. This is the best
ओके.
feature of this technology. If you client want to any change, we can easily change.
ओके.
We have to need a written document. Is client want to the change this feature, so we will be implement this and we can change. This is agile method. But if you will use the waterfall model, so we can't be change this thing.
Okay, Asif, if you want something then please ask.
Okay, give me a moment. I'm doing something.
Rohit, do you have any question for us?
No, sir, I don't have any
Anything?
question.
Okay. Yes, Asif, do you have any question?
Yeah, I do have one questions. Give me a moment.
So,
So Rohit, I have also one questions. Then I am also done with my all questions. So can you explain me what is research and analysis? Because both term are very mandatory as a business analyst to know these terms.
Research analysis depend on the project. How types of we are working on the project. Just like we have to be work on the any food and beverage. So we will have to research how many stakeholders involved in this features like delivery boy, like shopkeeper and administrator. So we have to research. We have to be research with the other. We have to research. We have to find similar application. We have to discuss with the delivery boy how many problems face this face, and we have to be discuss with the shopkeeper. So research analyze how types which types of your project you have to research related of the query relative of this project. This is a research analyst.
Sorry for the interruption, Rohit. Actually, research and analysis both are different terms. Fine. Okay. So research, that means find the information which already exists. Like we have a data, so
Okay.
this is our research. And find sense from the existing information. Like we have a proper data and find meaningful outcome from this data are called research. Sorry, analysis. Okay, so Afzal, I am also done from my questions. If you have, you can ask from Rohit. Otherwise, we can end up this meeting.
all right. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yeah, you are audible.
Yes, I'm done. As I said earlier. Asif, thank you so much. Rohit, thank you so much.
Thank you, Rohit. Have a
Okay,
good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank
thank
you.
you.